Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ping spikes on Roblox. Disclaimer, this method doesn't fix your high ping. It only fixes the lag spikes that you get like in every 2 seconds. You get like 300 ping or 1000 ping. It only fixed that. Okay, so let's just do it. You gotta type Roblox player here, right click, open file location, and then right click this again, open file location, and then you have to find Roblox player beta. Right click properties and then digital signatures. You gotta find this and click 2 times on it and then press view certificate, install certificate, and then press next until it's finished. Close everything. Let's try doing it now. Let's try joining Roblox and let's see. Okay, we're in. So let me open the painting shift F3. See, it's not lagging. I usually get 120 ping. It's not lagging anymore. Or like, even if I do things in the game, like use things, nothing happens. It's literally like the same. No ping spikes. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.